Guys, it's Midnight Gamer here. Welcome to Make It Rain. I tried to make a video and it ended up being an hour. I wasn't even playing for an hour, but I was recording for a freaking long time. I didn't even mean to. And I was probably like asleep recording. So anyways, I'm here to make it rain. Plus 9,000 capacity. That fund convention is what I want. Because I get 42k an hour. But I'm not going to do that today. I will do that next time. So, I'll do this. I'm gonna upgrade this. My savings account. Just getting $37 a second. Well, I'll be back and I'm gonna do the glitch. Okay guys, well it turns out the glitch didn't work. Yet. I changed my time for 2 hours and it didn't work. So I got 500. Well, that doesn't matter. Okay, now it says 6 hours to the tournament. Usually it would be 5. New tournament, 6 hours. Bacon. Oh. I gotta watch 4 more videos. I forgot about this. I will see you guys later in a second. Alright guys, I'm back. I watched the video and I skipped an hour. My bucket was full. I got 100,000 and then I got an auto swipe. So I just held it down and I just got $50,000. So I have $157,000. Yeah. So I can get a lot of money. I mean, stuff. Yeah, so that sounds very calm right there, but I'm actually not. Boom! That was my bucket. I don't want to do my bucket. $19. Wow.
nigga. Well,
Fadge.
Fadge. No, nigga, we're playing online. Come on, I'm gonna get all my shit ready. New house.
Okay, well that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna make it rain. I'll see you guys later.